Nearly 7 straight years of psychiatric help and antidepressants. A burned-up mother says that's the only thing that kept her going after her daughter's murder. As KXAN investigator Arzo Dost explains, she now worries it could all go away because of how a state program reviews applications for crime victims. She reached out to us for help.
I miss her more every minute of every day.
Karen Freeman is talking about her only child.
I'm so afraid that I'm going to forget the sound of her voice, that I'm going to forget how it felt to hug her.
Her daughter, Tabitha Freeman, was shot and killed in 2013 in San Angelo.
She was just simply in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Freeman says the 22-year-old was at a friend's apartment when gunfire erupted. Police arrested 2 young men and charged both with capital murder. They were eventually convicted.
You don't get over it. It doesn't get easier.
Freeman sees a psychiatrist regularly. She takes medication, including Prozac and Xanax. The state was helping her pay for it, about $250 a month through the Crime Victims Compensation Program. But that all stopped last year.
Unfortunately, we are unable to consider those bills for payment due to the reason listed.
What reason?
There's not a reason listed.
The program is managed by the Office of the Attorney General. It was created more than 40 years ago to help crime victims and their immediate families cover the cost of counseling, medical treatment, funeral, and loss of income.
There was nothing else listing why.
No, this is all I got was this.
And have you contacted them to ask?
I am tired. I have done that on many occasions.
We took this question directly to the Attorney General's office. Since Freeman didn't get an answer, we wanted to understand why. But a spokesperson tells us they can't talk about individual cases. And though we were provided information about the program, there wasn't anyone available to talk to us on camera about the process. Freeman says she's been denied every year since 2017, and she's not alone. A state performance report from the Department of Justice shows denials are common. Recently, in a single year, the state approved more than 19,000 applications, but it denied almost 11,000 applications for compensation. The reasons vary. Most are for incomplete information, an ineligible crime, or an ineligible application. But others are denied for failing to cooperate with police, misconduct, or failure to report to the police. In Freeman's case, it's still not clear.
I send in what they ask for, and then they still know I need this or I need that, or just deny me for no reason. And it just adds to the frustration.
In the past, Freeman has appealed and eventually gotten reimbursements. But this time, she says she's done.
I just don't have the energy for that fight anymore. Grief is just too exhausting, just trying to exist day to day.
Arzo Dost, KXAN Investigates.
The Crime Victim Services annual report shows that just last year alone, the program received more than 34,000 applications and awarded $72.1 million to or on behalf of crime victims. There was a 26% increase of applications after an online portal was launched in September of 2018. The program is funded through a number of ways, including state court costs, restitution from offenders ordered to reimburse the fund, and donations from jurors. We started looking into this story after a tip from the mom you just heard from. You can email us your tips anytime at reported@kxan.com.